Grand, opulent living at its absolute finest. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and it's an absolute honour today to show you through this amazing family home here in the heart of Gladesville. Let's go take a look. Spread over 3 levels, this extremely large family residence definitely does not miss a beat. Whether it be the lift access to each floor or the quality of fixtures and fittings throughout, this is definitely the perfect property for a growing family. If you're after that extra large property in a convenient setting, this is definitely one not to miss. If you have any further questions, make sure you give me a call and I'm more than happy to help. Otherwise, we look forward to helping you at our next open home.